Hey, Ricky here from Tech Talk. Thanks for watching my video. So today we had the Apple event and they've just finished there over in San Francisco. It was held and loads of new stuff. So a couple of new products coming from Apple. So let's get with it. So they showed a new store in China in Westlake, Cho-hon. I hope I said that right. It's most probably wrong. Really sorry, but they've opened 6 stores in 6 weeks in China. They want to take it up to 40 stores in total in China. There's 453 stores open around the world in 16 different countries. So that's some of the key facts there. They had 120 million visitors in them stores over the last year. They talked about Apple TV. Apple TV's had an update now, and they wanted to talk about a new product, which is HBO Now, which is a paid subscriber service which lets you to see past shows, future shows, and the new show. And there was a new trailer of Game of Thrones, which is starting April 7th, I believe, or just in April, and it looks absolutely epic. Apple TV has sold 25 million units, which is really good. That's how I watched mine today. And they've done a price drop. Price drop now was $99. Now it's down to $69. So roughly going to work that out to pounds. I guess about £50, maybe £60 here in the UK. 700 million iPhone sales in total, which is amazing. It's doubled industry actual selling figures for smartphones. The industry's declined, but Apple's actually doubled theirs. Customer satisfaction's gone up to 99% for the new iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. Apple Pay started off with 6 banks in America. It's 2,500 now, and over 750,000 stores in the United States take Apple Pay, and it is due to come here in the UK. Coca-Cola has also released some vending machines that you can use to Apple Pay. There's going to be 40,000 of them in the United States and around the UK come by the end of the year. They talked about CarPlay as well. That's where the Apple services go into your car. There's 40 new models coming out from all major new car companies this year by the end of the year, which looks really good as well. On research as well, they talked about research, and there's 5 new apps now where you do the research on your phone. It's in the pocket, you agree to it. So say they used to send out letters for people to do research and stuff. Now do it through your phone and through HealthKit as well, and it looks really good. I'm going to go in more detail on my website. So that's www.techtalks.uk, and there'll be loads more information. Links will be in the description. Right, one of their new products was a new MacBook, and what they wanted to do was change the portable laptop. So they've gone even thinner now. 20% in notebooks. This is a notebook from Apple. So they said there's been 20% growth. Comes in 3 colours. Comes in gold, silver, and space grey. Photos will be above this video or somewhere in this video while I'm talking. £2 in weight, so it's really light. 13.1 millimeters at its thickest edge, so it's really thin. It's 20% smaller than the MacBook Air. All-day battery life, so they're giving you 9 hours with Wi-Fi and 10 hours on iTunes playback as well. There's a new backlight in for the keyboard. There's a new trackpad which has a force touch that can actually tell by how hard you push it, and it gives you haptic feedback like the Apple Watch as well. So display is 8.8mm thick, and it's a Retina 12-inch display. It's a USB-C port. There's only one port on it, and this one port can do a charger. It is a USB socket. It is a display port. It's loads of other ports as well. Pictures should be going up through. It's only got one port on it, but it can plug in via this port, and Apple will release accessories, so will other major companies, which they did do in CES as well earlier this year. So it is due to come out on April 10th, and it's going to start at $1,299, roughly about £1,000 here in the UK, and going all the way up to $2,000, so $2,700 here in the UK. So then they moved on to the Apple iWatch. Everyone was waiting for this. We know quite a lot about it. There's 3 different models. They are very pricey, very expensive. They showed loads of different applications working Facebook. You can use your phone, you can use Siri, touch it, you draw little messages to your partner, use Apple Pay when you're in the shop, just tap it on the machine and it will work really well. So like I said, there's 3 different versions. There's a sport version, which is their cheapest one. There's one in the middle, then there's a really high one. Their highest one is the 18 karat gold model, solid gold. That will set you back at $10,000, which is a lot of money. So I won't be getting one of them to review. Hopefully I'll get the Sport Edition, which is around $350, so £300 here. And that is $400 for the more bigger screen. It's 38mm or 42mm, so it's 5mm in difference in the screen size. And the middle edition, where it has different straps, different types, this will start off at $550 and go up to $600 as well. So different, all depends. They're in stores April 10th, pre-orders April 10th as well, and you can actually purchase it on the April the 24th. So I'm going to try and get a pre-order for the sport version, try and do an unboxing, a little bit of a demo, and let you know what you guys think. So that was Apple event. If I've missed anything, I do try and add it on my website like I said. Give a thumbs up, comment, rate and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.